Welcome to homework.
Hello students, in this question they have asked to calculate the DNA yield. First, we have to find the DNA concentration in the undiluted sample. For this, we can use the absorbance value at 260 and 280 nanometer to calculate the concentration. The ratio of absorbance at 260 nanometer to 280 nanometer is used to assess the purity of the DNA sample. A pure DNA sample should have a ratio of approximately 1.8. The control sample, the absorbance value at 260 is equals to 0.671 and the absorbance at 280 nanometer is 0.515. When we divide 260 by 280 absorbance, we would get 1.303. Since the ratio is not close to 1.8, the sample is not pure. However, we can still calculate the concentration using the formula DNA concentration in mu grams per ml is equals to absorbance value at 260 multiplied with 50 into dilution factor. We can assume that there is no dilution factor, so the dilution factor value would be equal to 1. Then we have the DNA concentration as absorbance value 260 is equals to 0.671 multiplied with 50 and dilution factor is 1, so into 1. This would be equal to 33.55 μg per ml. The total volume of DNA sample from 0.5 grams wheat germ is given as 1 ml. Now, to find the total volume of DNA extracted from 0.5 grams wheat germ, we multiply the concentration by the volume. Total volume of DNA in mu gram is equals to DNA concentration multiplied with volume in ml. This is equals to the DNA concentration value which we have calculated in the previous step, 33.55 multiplied with the volume 1 ml. This is equals to 33.55 mu grams. To convert the total volume of DNA extracted from 0.5 grams wheat germ to milligram, we can divide it by 1000. So we can straight away divide the value of 33.55 mu grams by 1000 to obtain the value in milligrams. This is equals to 0.03355 milligrams. Now, to calculate the total volume of DNA from 1 gram wheat germ, we can multiply by 2 since 1 gram is twice the amount of 0.5 grams. So, the total volume of DNA would be the mg value 0.0335 milligram multiplied with 2 is equals to 0.0671 mg. If the DNA extraction efficiency was not 100% but 25%, then we multiply the total volume of DNA extracted from 1 gram wheat germ by 0.25. So, the total volume of DNA would be 0.0671 multiplied with 0.25, which is equals to 0.016775 mg. So the final values would be total volume of DNA that is extracted from 1 gram wheat germ with 25% efficiency would be 0.016775 mg. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you.